I felt badly leaving him here.
Hey everybody, Chris Lansat from Orion's Attic. When we say we give second lives to as much as possible, we mean it. Look at this cute little pig. He got all scared because nobody wanted him. The new owners didn't want him. And he was going to be abandoned, or even worse, tossed, put to sleep. But we can't let that happen. This guy is way too cute. And I'm one of those guys who believes that all things, even cement statues, have certain spirits. Animism, it's called technically. I just call it cute things that have a life inside them.
I've had him for about 30 years. I'm thrilled that you're going to give him a new life.
How did he come into your life?
Oh gosh, I don't remember. I just like pigs, and somebody probably bought them for me.
And 30 years is a long time.
Yes. Yep.
And you're a little emotional about it too.
Nah, I'm just thrilled you're going to give him a new life.
I get really happy for our clients when we sell a really expensive piece of furniture, but I get just as excited when we rescue a cement animal. What do you think about that?
I think it's silly, but it makes me happy.
Some people might think it's silly, but we don't. That pig was something special. A pig that was part of a life after 30 years. A memory, a chapter. So I'm going to bring him back to our house in Silver Spring. I'm going to give him a little bit of makeover, maybe a little Botox, and he'll be looking good as new in no time. And it just gives me joy to do that, to take these things from people's houses that people don't want anymore and bring them back to life. And in our case, he'll be in our sanctuary of other animals that we've rescued. Estate cleanouts aren't just about what's valuable. They're about what matters. And sometimes what matters most is a cement pig.